Hello, welcome back to this channel once again. It's a beautiful morning. As you can see guys, it's very bright. It's another day. I don't know you guys who started working. I don't know who exactly started this kind, like someone you have to wake up and start working. I don't really understand, because if I catch him or her, I don't know what exactly I can do for that person. Really needs a security. Yeah, so guys, I started doing from bathroom here. Of course, it's so nice. So a disclaimer, I'm not promoting any product here. I just love to use this company. I just love it. Yes, so please, if this is your first time to come across my videos, please, you're most welcome. Just get a cup of tea or coffee and let's enjoy together. Yes, why not? Please don't forget to subscribe and please like this video, share, as we are going to start our video. And today's video guys, I have a lot to do, but first of all, I will start ironing with my uniform, because if I don't iron it right now, I will end up ironing it in the evening, and that's not what I like. Okay, as I'm ironing or as I'm working, we are going to chit chat. Of course, that is the way how I do my things. So guys, I don't know really what will happen for me. Like for me, I'm always asking myself, whenever, especially if I'm ironing or doing something, when I'm busy, I'm always remembering myself in Uganda. I'm always asking myself a question, that if I'm not in Saudi Arabia, what would have happened to me? I don't know if I'm the only one who is thinking when I'm working, but that's my way. Whenever I'm busy, I'm always thinking a lot, especially when I see the years are going, but I don't have, like, when I was coming here, I had a lot of dreams. I had a lot of programs that, like, right now I don't know where those programs disappeared, because even if you ask me on those programs that I were planning, what exactly have I done in these 6 years? I don't want anybody to ask me that question, because I will end up disappointing you here. Let's just leave that question. Because someone may see me busy working, but you don't know what is running into my head, because a lot is happening. Like, you're planning this is happening, you're planning I don't know if I'm the only one here, but that's really so stressing me, and I don't know what is next right now, because I'm asking myself a question: after Saudi Arabia, what exactly will I do? I have a lot of programs, or I have a lot in my head, but I don't know where exactly to start. So the big problem that we have, we girls who are working abroad, or people who are working abroad, that we have our family members, we have our people back home, that they don't know the situation that we are passing through. They just know we are here, we are getting a lot of money, which is wrong. Of course we are getting money, but of course we are working for them. Most especially if you have a lot of responsibilities at home, you know what exactly I'm trying to say here. Because money here, you have to work hard for it, and after working hard for it, the moment you get it, I think it is just 2 to 3 days on your account or in your pocket, and the other day you are poor like yesterday. Some people, they don't sleep today, they sleep tomorrow, but people home, they don't know anything about that. So I don't know what exactly we have to do to explain to our people home, to stop thinking what exactly they are thinking that we are doing here. I don't know what it is in their minds, but for me, I think some of them, they think we are just heartless because someone can wake up and ask for 2k and he or she doesn't know how you do or what exactly you do for to get such a money, or that he just wake up and like, oh, you know what, I want some money, I want 200k. Or if you say no, they will think you're just showing off just because you're working abroad. But if you tell them you want to try, come and see what exactly is going on, they're like, oh, no problem. So I don't know what exactly to say about those people, but that's life. The life we are passing through, no one can understand unless someone has to come here. And guys, as you see, the work here, it is simple. As I told you, in our house we don't have a lot of work, but the work here is complicated, just like the way how you see here. You cannot just say, oh, yesterday I cleaned here or I vacuumed here, so today I will just skip. You can't skip because someone will walk on the carpet and our boss want to see the shape that it really shows that someone vacuumed here. Like exactly the way how you see that I'm vacuuming, I'm leaving the mark that shows that I vacuumed here. Because if she comes and she finds the steps there, that means you didn't vacuum. You have to make sure after vacuuming you don't go back where you finished to vacuum, and that's life here. So if you're willing to come abroad or you are in the way coming, just know it's not that you will just wake up and sit, or you will just wake up and get money for nothing. You have to work hard, just like the way how you see we are making these videos to let you know what exactly is going on. I'm not good in motivation, but I hope I communicate. So guys, I'm done here, and right now I'll be going down to eat breakfast and do other stuff. Someone asked me, why are you holding a bag every day? Are you working part-time? The answer is no. I'm not working part-time. In this bag, I'm always putting my stuff that I'm using down because I'm sleeping very far. And the kitchen is not inside in the house, it is outside the house, so I have to put all my stuff. I'll make a video showing you what exactly inside in my bag. Okay, as we are continuing, please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a return subscriber, you're most welcome. Thank you so much, I do really appreciate. Don't forget to comment and give me a like. What is your biggest problem in the house? I know everybody has challenges in the houses, because of course that is normal, but please just let me know what is your biggest challenge in the house where you're working. So guys, as we are continuing here, I wanted to make some rice balls. I always like to make my own snacks for tea or what. I decided to make rice balls. I think all people who are from Uganda, they know rice balls. And I made some juice. This is beetroot and carrot. It's so nice. As you can see guys, healthy juice, fresh juice. So right now I'm going to dip my rice ball because I have to eat it with my coffee. I covered it and I set it aside, and right now this rice ball, they are very simple. You don't even to do a lot. You just mix flour. If you have cassava flour, it's okay, and you make your own fresh snacks. Simple and not expensive. Yes. The time I started making these rice balls, nobody wanted to eat because they know already it is rice, but nobody tasted. They don't know the taste, but for me, I told them to try, just try one. And when they tried, guys, they are just obsessed with it. Look at that. So guys, you can make your own snacks in the house. Don't wait for everything your boss to buy it. And guys, let's stop here. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.